in today's video, we'll talk about are wheel spacers actually safe? Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers is also an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. At this point, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thickness. Lower wheel offset helps install bigger brake calipers or covers safely and properly. This enlarges the selection of aftermarket brake kits. So, if you plan to add larger suspension parts to improve the whole off-roading experience, these Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers will be very useful. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. BONOSS Forge active cooling for Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pencil shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The wheel takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.